Hi, welcome to Baby Playful. Let's explore the world of farm animals with this book from DK Publishing. Ready? Then let's go to Pop-up Peekaboo Farm. Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Look, a chicken. I think she's looking for something. Shh. Did you hear that sound? These eggs are hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Oh, what cute little chicks. Their mother hen has found them. Moo, moo. Look, 2 cows at the farm. And I think they're mooing at something. Let's go check what it is. Neigh, neigh. It's a horse. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. 3 pink piggies are jumping in muddy puddles. But somebody's missing out on the fun. It's Goose. Honk, honk. Honk, honk, honk. Ba, ba, ba. These 4 fluffy sheep are singing. Woof, 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 woof. Guess who wants to join them? Sheepdog. Woof, woof, woof. Look at these 5 farm animals waiting for someone. Who could it be? Of course, the farmer on his tractor. Vroom, vroom. Bye-bye. Thumbs up if you like this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.